So, what do we have here? A Trek or a Specialized? Let's have a look. Well, that's a couple of fat tire wheels. And what we got in here? We got ourselves a Trek Farley 5 2021 model. So this is the frame, and as you can see, that looks quite a dark greenish and a very, very dark blue on the back. Couple of fat bike wheels, front and back, 27.5s with a nice size 4.5s on them. Looks sweet as a nut, absolutely no weight in them whatsoever. And from Trek Farley, some pedals and a little bell and some paperwork and just service stuff in there. So here it is, the Trek Farley 5 2021 model. See the extra wide angle there on the rear frame, so as the brake stays on the inside, and also so as the gears set inside and not outside like normal. Here's where I got to take the BB out to get a 1000 bow hang in there. Chain line looks pretty good. It should just all work, hopefully. But yeah, this is the one I've decided to do for next year. And I'll keep you all updated with it. Anyway, have a good Christmas and a good New Year. Remember, stay safe, get out and ride.